Hey guys, Sketchy Boy here, and today I got a 1996 Toyota Tacoma in front of me here. It's got the evergreen pearl color, and a little bit of work's been done to this truck since I bought it. We'll go down to the left here. Little bit of body work's been done in the wheel wells, you can see. That's where they like to rot for sure. Yeah, different exhaust system too. We'll look into that later. Bumper, painted it up. Backup lights installed. Other side, same thing. Bodywork in the wheel wells, you can see. The cab itself's in pretty good condition. Front fenders are a little bit rotted. Not too bad. So I'm running Firestone Destination MT2s for my winter tires. They're 32-inch tires. And for my front suspension here, I got Eibach coilovers. Just a 3-inch lift. Works pretty well for this little truck here. If you got the V6, it's probably like 2.5. Motor's pretty late in this truck. So yeah, there's the other side there. Brand new coilovers just installed. You can see the back, there's the Eibach shocks in there as well. And there's the LED flush mount backup lights. They work pretty well. And all I did is I just wired it to my reverse lights and just grounded it. So I got 410 gears in the back, 410 in the front. Painted the rear end up too as well. And we'll look underneath here. So yeah, we did brand new center support bearing, redid a few things there. Yeah, brand new 410 gears in the front. Frame was really bad when I got it, and you can see I redid it. Yeah, so let's look in the interior here. It's got the tan-ish light brown color. Yeah, roll-up windows, manual windows. It's got it used to have the bench seat, and I got rid of that, and I put the bucket seats in with the center console. And it's a 5-speed manual transmission with transfer case for high-low. And yeah, that's just the cluster. It's got 459,000 Ks on it, or 280,000 miles. Quite a bit, but she's still going strong. The interior is pretty mint in this truck. Didn't really have to do that much. Yeah, we got the light switches there for the light bar and the fog lights. Yeah. So, we'll take a look at the engine here. I'll pop the hood. And you can see this little 3RZ that I have in here. Alright, I'll pop the hood, and as you can see, it's the little 3RZ FE, 2.7 liter, 4-cylinder. Apparently makes 150 horsepower at the crank. I don't know how much torque it makes. It makes more torque than power, but you can see I got a K&N drop-in filter there with the deck plate mod. Got the battery, got the relays for the fog lights and the light bar there. Yeah, you can see, just mounted to the rad support. Power brakes. We'll look at the headers I installed on these. These are just cheap old pace setter headers. Go 2-in-1 headers. They're actually not bad. You can feel a little bit of pep when you rev on it, but not too bad. Yeah, that was pretty much everything almost. Just a little short video on this truck here. Wanted to show you what's going on. Yeah, not too much to talk about anymore. So probably the next video will be a run video. We'll see how she runs. and make sure to take a look at that. So thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.